Hi, this is Alistair, and this is a short video on using the libraries and tools from the TigerGraph.net project to build .NET applications that talk to TigerGraph, whether it's servers or CLIs or web applications or notebooks. So right now, I'm just looking at my OpenShift console on Red Hat OpenShift. This is the TigerGraph.net proxy server. The server is it's running right now, so I can use my TigerGraph CLI to ping the server. Okay, so we're talking to the TigerGraph proxy server. So what happened is we can get back, if we're using like a web application, we can get back the correct cause headers and stuff when we actually use a proxy server. And what the other thing that the proxy server does actually implements a cache feature. So if I run a very large query, okay, so I'm going to pull all of the vertex data. The vertex data is just part of the data from a sample data set that comes with TigerGraph. And in this case, so what's happened is we actually hit the proxy server. Okay, and we actually, that particular query, we cached it. And we set it to expire in about 10 minutes. So if I run that query again, okay, so what happens? So we had a cache hit. So the proxy server can sit in front of TigerGraph and act as a proxy. If you have web applications, any kind of applications, you can use the proxy server. So another type of application you can run actually in Jupyter Notebook. So here I have Jupyter Notebook. It's actually running the C# kernel. Okay, it's actually running the C# kernel, and it's just the same as Jupyter Notebook using Python. Only difference is we're just using the C# language. So what we're doing here is we're just telling it to, just like how we would pull a Python package from PyPy, we're telling it to pull a .NET package from NuGet. Okay, so this is the NuGet package, and this is the TigerGraph.NET package that's on NuGet. So I can import this into my notebook. And I'm just going to ping the server again. Okay, so this runs from Jupyter Notebook, and we get back a response. And, well, anything that you can do basically from the CLI or from any application, you can run the same queries on TigerGraph. Okay, so and the other kind of application you can build is a web application. So this is actually using a compiler called Bridge. Bridge.net can actually compile C# to JavaScript. So I'll just have a simple JavaScript function here I'm going to write. I'm going to write it in C#, but it's going to run in the browser. So again, I'm telling it to ping the TigerGraph proxy server. Okay, so this runs okay. And the important thing is that the proxy server will send back the correct cause headers that will allow you to actually make calls to TigerGraph from JSON. This is the only way to actually write applications that directly consume the JSON data from TigerGraph. So this is just an example of the different kinds of apps that you can run using TigerGraph.net. I will upload more videos to show more the capabilities of the project. Thank you.